What's happening, boys? Beautiful day out here. It is pretty warm though. Probably got about 2,100 miles on the bike, 2,200, 2,164. Thank you, veterans. A 23 FX LRS stage 2 Sawick speed exhaust. Jim's V-twin 821 cams. It's the 117, so the bike's got plenty of power. Here we go. I'm gonna leave my high beams on just for visibility on these corners. It's daytime, so it's not gonna bother anyone. I just want the visibility. Need to watch out for the animals, of course. Very stable at high speeds. And it definitely goes. Fifth gear and 2,800 RPM, something like that. I can see it picks up. I mean, on third, fourth gear, this thing is beast mode. It's just a nice road. really didn't plan on any. Oh, I can take this. What I would like to focus is on what men should be doing with their lives. The foundational items. As a man, there's prerequisites. The main thing would be working out. And working out as, and I don't mean, you know, bodybuilding or getting diesel. I mean staying fit. It's just a prerequisite. Whether it's a, you know, long walk with your dogs, or going to the gym, working out. Just staying fit, not necessarily even bodybuilding. If you're bodybuilding, that's awesome too. But it's a prerequisite to stay fit, whether it's the bare minimum, if it's just walking, if it's just running, if it's just lifting, if it's doing MMA, jiu-jitsu, or Muay Thai, you know, something like that. So yeah, if I could emphasize anything, it's it'll be working out. I think in our society, the men are getting softer and softer. Gotta get up early, get that workout in, get in that elevated mindset. It's not even about anything physical. When you're working out consistently, staying fit consistently, it puts you in an elevated mindset. With that elevated mindset, it's going to give you the tools to go after whatever successes in life that you're trying to pursue. So getting that workout in first thing in the morning gets you into that elevated mindset. You feel good, and when you go through your day, you can dictate your decisions from that superior mindset as opposed to an inferior mindset. So if you're not working out right now, consider working out. Again, you don't need to go to some fancy gym with a $50 a month gym membership. You can get one of those Planet Fitness $10 memberships, or go to your local park. I mean, it's the summer out here in the East Coast. Again, walking is great exercise, running, swimming. Pretty much just anything. I mean, any type of movement. There's no such thing as stagnation in life. There's only progression and there's regression. If you're not progressing, you're regressing and you're moving backwards. No such thing as standing still. So you got to keep moving and improving daily. It doesn't matter how small or how large. If it means making 1 inch of progress better than you were yesterday, that's good enough. In life, it's not the home runs that you got to go after, it's the base hits. Just get to first base, run to second, get those base hits. And the first base hit you could get for the day is setting that alarm at a wake-up time, whether it's 5, 6, whatever time that works for you. and not hitting the snooze button. Get that first win for the day. It's going to set you up for the rest of your day. Get those little base hits and those small wins. And that's all it takes. Really the secret to success, whatever that may be that you're pursuing, is going to be those failures. I mean, your willingness to fail will dictate how far you go in life. So if you're pursuing something, whether it's a small business, whether it's working out, and you keep failing, it means that you're on the path to success. I mean, failure is key. You can't win if you don't fail. You have to have a willingness to accept rejection and accept failure and embrace it. So it eliminates, you know, your fear. As a man, you got to stay on point in life. Again, working out is an obligation. It's a prerequisite. Whether it's even just 3 days a week at a minimum. I mean, everybody should be able to work out 7 days a week. You don't need to work out for 2 hours, 3. It could be just 30 minutes once you get up. Getting a quick workout in. Getting your mind and body right for the day. And getting after it. If you need motivation, you can listen to David Goggins, Jocko Willink, Bedros Keuilian, Wes Boston. There's plenty of that stuff out there from dudes that are completely real. So if you can take anything from this video, just get moving if you're not already. And it's never too late. Really, that whole age thing, it really doesn't matter. Age is a state of mind. You could be 60, 70, whatever. Take a morning walk every morning and get fit. Life's got to be in motion. Life doesn't stand still. So watch your six at all times, whether you're riding or not. I'm gonna cut this off, boys. I appreciate you guys riding. Again, the message for the day is, you know, as a man, you gotta work out, stay fit, no matter how minimal that is. Really, the name of the game is consistency and staying disciplined. If you could get it out of the way first thing in the morning, wake up 20 minutes earlier, you know, get it out of the way. It'll set you up for the day. Like David Goggins says, stay hard. I appreciate you guys tagging along, boys. Cheers.